Hey there, it's Kathy with Be Creative with Kathy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to put together your January stamp camp cards. Now, we used to be called Rose Hill, we've moved locations, and now, let me see if I get the name right, we're like Crazy Card Chics, or so. I'm going to say we're going to put together the 3C card camp kits. This is what my card looks like for the month of January. Really, there's designer series paper we can turn stuff over, so who knows what your card will look like. I'm going to throw them over here in the corner. It's a real quick, simple, but I really liked it, so I think it's a wow card. Make sure I got everything out of the envelope. We're going to start by layering some cardstock. Here's your card base. We have some basic white here, and this is Flirty Flamingo. I'm going to just layer those two. Oh, I got brand new tape and he's not carving. There we go. Lay those two together. That's what happens when you get a brand new refill in your tape runner. Let's put that right there. Nice. And then we'll just layer that one right here onto that red card base. Like this. Good start. Now here's where you have to make some decisions. So your designer series paper here that's going to be layered on another Flirty Flamingo can look like this, or you can turn it over and it looks like this. So you have to decide which way you want yours. I'm going to, just so I have another variety, I'm going to put my glue or my adhesive on the foil side or the dot side, and I'm going to have the hearts showing on my card. So take it like that, lay it right there on that Flirty Flamingo piece, and then some adhesive right on the back of that, and layer that right on the front of our card here. Okay, there now is our card base. Okay, these two squares here, again, it's Flirty Flamingo. I'm going to layer this right here onto this real red square. And now you have some more options depending on the designer series paper you got or the doilies. I like the white side of the doily, so I'm going to put adhesive on here, although you certainly could use the color side of the doily. But I'm going to take this and lay that little heart doily right here in the center of my square. And then you have to decide again if you want your, now this is our scalloped heart and our regular heart, if you want it to go this way or if you want it to go this way. So there again, to try to do something, well, no, I'm going to again lay my hearts down, and I'm going to use these little arrows as the front of my focal piece. Now I'm going to put this on with some dimensionals, although if you don't have dimensionals, just your regular tape runner would work here too. But I'm going to pop this up right here on dimensionals and put that in the center of my doily heart here. Look how cute it's coming along. And then I'm going to just set this here because I want to add some adhesive right here to the edge, and I want to see how long to go. So now I know I need adhesive from here to here. And then on the side of this one, I'm going to put some adhesive here. Well, if my adhesive would cooperate, I am. Oh, there we go. Just on the one side. I hope you can see it. And then when you lay your card on this adhesive that you put on here, and I'm only going to look here to make sure it's straight. I'm not going to worry, but I'd like to see more of this than I do that white, and lay that down. Now I don't have any adhesive here where I don't want it, and you have that there. And then last, I've computer generated a Happy Valentine's Day tag here. I've also gave you a blank tag in case you want to stamp your own, but just a little bit of adhesive on the back of that. And you take and lay that over your heart here, and look how cute. There's your Valentine card. So there you go. There's your two different options. Although my hearts are the same, I could have flipped those around. But anyway, you have lots of ideas or lots of different ways you can, lots of options. That's what I'm looking for you to make your cards. So there you go. Once again, I just want to thank you for buying our kits to go. I hope that you're happy with what you get and that you keep coming back. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.